In this video, we are going to look at the latest enhancements for Trimble Connect. We now have the ability to right-click on components and select Save Out. So this replaces Save As and gives us more options so we can save to Trimble Connect. So I could call this Desk Design number 1 and then click Save Out and just add it to my Trimble Connect library. Then, for example, if you had another component that you would like to replace this desk with, you can now also right-click on it and select Reload, and reload either from your device, Trimble Connect, or even the 3D Warehouse. So we can select from Trimble Connect, choose your component, and select Reload. As long as they're sharing the same common axis, they will replace in exactly the correct place. We can also go to the File menu, select Trimble Connect, and then we can either open from Trimble Connect files, save to Trimble Connect, save a copy, import, or even share a link and just launch Trimble Connect. So there's been many great enhancements with Trimble Connect. I hope you enjoy.